Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's enter the history. And as you can see, right here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got more options to choose from, so we can remove browsing history, cache, cookies, site data, saved passwords, and autofill data. It's up to you what you want to remove. I will remove everything, so just tap on Clear. Okay. And basically, unfortunately, we do not have any information that we just successfully did, but after getting back to the history, you can see that no history has been found, which simply means that we just removed it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.